Yeah, remember? We were looking at one in Tahoe.
Are you kidding? We looked at that in Tahoe and here.
Yeah.
We've been looking at that one for a while.
Wow, did you see that? Did you hear that? Wow. Oh, and Laura spoiled you rotten. Oh,
Thank you, Auntie Laura and Uncle Phil.
Oh, they spoiled you rotten.
And your little cousins.
Oh. Oh. Alright, Daddy has to open this thing because it's very complicated.
Hey, Evan. What do you think?
Wow. Wow. Oh, whoops. It's okay. It's okay. Okay. Just give Mommy a second.
Hey, Evan. Wow.
And the eyes turn.